Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the cleanest way to organize our .NET application. Using this generic repository pattern with the unit of work pattern, this is the architecture of many production grade enterprise apps follow for clean code maintainability and testability. Okay, let me explain the architecture. As we all know, there is a database layer, right? Before there is a database layer. And to communicate to the database layer, we will make a repository layer, right? Only the repository layer is responsible to communicate to the database through appdb context, right? Our manager that we just made. Now we all know there will be lots of table in the database, right? So all the table have same operation like creating the database, updating the database, deleting the row, getting information from the row. The operation seems similar to all of them. So we collect the generic operation in one file. So this kind of architecture is very handy when there is lots of a table, right? There is lots of model. We pass the model and the all these functions are implemented to the repository layer through generic repository, right? Generic function are implemented to repository layer, and there will be a unit of work, right? The unit of work is responsible for the collection of repositories. So this will bundle all our repositories class and pass to the service layer. So service layer is responsible to talk to the controller or API layer. So if the client asks for the pets, right, it will ask to the controller and controller will communicate with the service layer make initialize the repository layer to unit of work, and repository layer will communicate to the database and get the data and get data back, which will be very exciting journey. So we will learn how to implement this architecture in our code base. Thank you.